Once upon a time, in a bustling city full of laughter and fun, lived a quirky, colorful character named Harley Quinn. Harley was known for her bright red hair, her playful attitude, and her love for her adorable pets. One day, Harley's pets grew curious about a mysterious, glowing object that had fallen from the sky. The object was a magical acorn, and when they touched it, they began to grow and change. Harley, seeing the transformation, was filled with wonder and excitement. She decided to use her magic to help others and spread joy throughout the city. With her new, larger pets in tow, Harley set out on an adventure to find the source of the magical acorn. Along the way, she met various creatures who were troubled and in need of help. First, she encountered a sad little bird who couldn't fly. Harley used her magic to help the bird regain its ability to soar and spread its wings. Overjoyed, the bird promised to sing beautiful songs to fill the world with music. Next, Harley met a grumpy old turtle who couldn't move from his shell. With a wave of her magic wand, Harley helped the turtle to walk again. The turtle thanked her by teaching Harley a new trick to help her climb tall buildings. As Harley continued her journey, she encountered many more creatures in need of help. Each time, she used her magic and her caring heart to make a difference. Finally, Harley and her pets arrived at the source of the magical acorn, a beautiful, ancient tree. The tree explained that it had sent the acorn to help those in need. Harley felt a sense of pride and happiness knowing that she had made a positive impact on the city. With a grateful heart, Harley returned home to her friends, ready to continue her adventures and spread joy wherever she went. The end.